Hi everyone, this is Rami. Welcome to a new video in my channel. Today I want to show you a very annoying problem in my Tesla audio system, the speakers, especially the passenger door speaker. When I play certain music type, usually like house music or something with the strong bass in the music, the front left door speaker, the big one, every time it goes with the beat, there is a rattle noise. Have a listen to this. So I'm going to disassemble the door. I've seen other people complaining of the same problem, and people suggest that there could be the cables running through the door. Sometimes they are a little bit loose and are not tied very well, so they may rattle around, especially if the speaker vibrates during music play, especially if it's a high beat or high bass sound profile. So I'm going to disassemble the door, and it's actually pretty easy. I'll leave a separate video to describe the whole process, yeah, hopefully see something obvious to fix because from outside nothing really looks wrong. Everything is steady from the door assembly point of view. So I'm going to disassemble it and see what's going on. All right, so let's see what is making this noise. Have a little suspect that these edges here may make contact with the speaker. I'm not sure. I'm going to play something and see what will happen while the door is disassembled. So I hear some rattle from this one, so I'm gonna put some foam around it, and see, this is, I guess, the manual release of the door, which goes in here. Okay, I'll add some padding around all the wires. There's some rattle here, some here. After testing the couple of tracks that I used to hear the rattle with, so I figured that this one here, it was like lying down like this. It was just hitting against the sensor here. I believe this is an impact sensor. Just guessing, but it's not a speaker. It's I guess it's an impact sensor. So I basically laid this back, and I enclosed the door temporarily and tested the sound, and the rattle is gone. But this could happen again, during driving. So I'm going to put some padding around this. I have some foam tape here. It's not the best, but this is what I have at the moment. There are thicker ones. You can buy this off Amazon or any hardware store basically. So I'm going to pad around these cables here, also anywhere where possibly the cables could hit the bare plastic. And yeah, I guess we're gonna be good for that. And we'll put the door back together. All right, folks. So after padding the wires inside the door, I tested the sound, and now it's perfect. The rattle finally gone. It used to drive me crazy. Listening to your favorite music, and some annoying sound is going through every beat. But yeah, if you wanna see the full video of how to take off the door panel and how to reassemble it, check the video on the banner somewhere in the corner or in the description box down below. If you find it useful, please leave me a like, and if you face the same problem, please leave me a comment on how you dealt with it. Or if you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.